If you are having difficulties trying to work on surveys, trying to qualify for surveys, or trying to answer through survey questions correctly, then this video is for you. Today, I'll be showing you how to qualify on surveys, how to answer through survey questions correctly, so as not for you to get screened out and so as not for your account to get banned. I am Survey Legends. I share online tricks and earning tips on how to earn online with just your smartphone and your internet connection. If these are the kind of videos you love, please leave me a like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Let's jump down into the video. Now, today I'll be taking you guys through from the scratch to finish of an account creation. I see a whole lot of you guys wanting to know how to create 5 survey accounts successfully, but not really able to get it done. So I'll be showing you guys everything you got to do. Now, the first thing you got to do, you go to 5survey.com or maybe primeopinion.com, whichever ones you want to. But I love working on 5 surveys, 5 survey accounts. So I'm going to be experimenting today with 5 survey account. So the first thing, once you have the 5 survey on, you might want to accept the cookies or decline the cookies. Anyone, it doesn't really mean nothing. Okay, so if you want to accept the cookies or you decline the cookies, anyone you choose. So the next thing you got to do is to put in your email. Once you're in, you put in your email. I'm just gonna cover up my mail, just for security purposes. You put in the email you want to put in, the one you actually have to create the account. So this is me creating a brand new account now, just for you guys to know how this works, okay? So I am creating a new account. Please pay attention. Follow me as I do this, okay? From the start to finish. Walk through the video to the end so you don't miss out on everything I'll be showing to you guys. Okay? I'm taking my time to do this. Please pay attention, okay? You can always drop your questions in the comments, okay? I'll drop some links in the description for you guys to, click on to get registered. If you don't want to make use of my own link, you can register using 5survey.com directly, okay? It doesn't matter. But if you register on my link, thank you. I appreciate it. So once you put in your email address, you click on continue. Put in email address, you click on continue. Once you put in email address, click on continue, and then let's allow it load through. The next thing will be, okay, once it comes up, the next will be, it's going to tell you to put in a password, okay? It's going to tell you to put in a password. So I'm just going to put in a password. I'm just going to cover up, okay, the details. I hope you guys understand, just for security purposes. Okay, so it's going to ask for a password. Put in my password right now. Okay. I'm still with you guys. Still on it. Make sure you confirm your details that everything is correct, so as you don't make mistakes. Okay, it's very important you don't make any mistakes. Yeah, I'm confirming right now my own details to be sure I don't make no mistakes. Yeah, so that is how you do it. So afterwards, once you're done with that, you click on accept privacy policy and then continue. Now they're gonna send a mail. They're gonna send a mail to your. They're gonna send a mail, a confirmation mail to your email address. The email address you're registered with, that's where they're gonna send the mail to. Okay, so you're gonna get the mail, the link. If you are making use of a proxy, please remember, if you're making use of a proxy in a country that surveys are not accepted, you have to copy the link and take it into the browser where you actually injected the surveys. I mean, injected the proxies you're making use of. I beg your pardon. So you have to copy the link from the email address they sent to you, the email link, confirmation link. You copy the confirmation link and you take it to the browser where you have your proxy. Okay, synchronized. That's where you take it to, so as not for you to get banned. Because if you the link that sends to you, confirmation link 5 service sends to you, and you are in a country that is not registered for surveys, the moment you click on that link, it will take you to the country you are originally based. I mean, the local zone you are based. I hope you understand what I mean. But if you copy the link and take it to the browser that already has been integrated with your proxy, it will show that you are still in the same location you created your account, being the US or the UK. I hope you understand that. So I'm just gonna get my own link right now. Or I just click on it. Anyone, I'm just gonna get my link and then tapping it. So, but for me, I'm just gonna click on my link, and it should take me directly here, because I am actually not copying links. I hope you understand what I mean. So I just clicked on my own link, and then I'm redirected here right now. As you can see here, this is what you're gonna see next. Okay. This is what you're gonna see next for creating a new account. Okay, I want you to pay attention, guys. Give me a smash like there. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, please. Share it to your friends. You're welcome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So now the next you gotta do is, when you have this here, this is it, guys. Listen, listen. This is how to create an account, okay? So you don't get banned or you don't have issues with your account. Now, I have been taken right here on this interface. The next thing I gotta do is, I do not rush it. Okay, don't rush it. All right, don't rush it. Don't rush it. Okay. So first thing you gotta do is, you just wait for it. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing? I'm doing all this on purpose. Okay, don't rush it. You see, it's been here. I'm not taking too much time. I'm taking a little bit of time to make sure that whatever that it is on the interface that has to do with robotics does not see me as a robot. Okay, a real human would want to pay attention to what's up, want to see what's up, and not just click, click, click. No, stop clicking and stop paying attention. Okay, now I have taken a little bit of time. I just have to click on here where it says start my first survey. And now, can you see this? It's saying all this here: share your opinion. Your responses are completely anonymous. Qualification, sincerity, and privacy. Okay. Now, looking at this here, you don't just go in and click on start survey. No, 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 don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. Now, what you gotta do is, you give it time. Always give every session time. Okay. Every bit of the page time. All right, please, guys, share this to your friends. Give me likes here so this information can be shared around to everybody who needs help. Okay, if you do not like this, it's not really gonna be recommended by by YouTube. Okay, I want this to be recommended to YouTube to get to a whole of people, so creating an account becomes easy for everybody. I'm trying to see that this things become easy for people, and that's why I'm making such kind of videos. Please, all right, guys, give me a like, share to your friends. Continue. Let's go on. Now, here, looking at this here, what it says: privacy, sincerity, and qualification. Yes, I've actually read everything. I know everything here, but I'm taking a little bit of time because it is the procedure needed to have a successful account. One of the rule is, don't rush it. Okay, one of the rule is, don't rush it. I hope you're noting this down. I hope you're paying attention. Note this down. Don't rush it. Creating of a new account. A new account is like a baby. You need to train up the baby. You need to take care of the baby. Pamper the baby. Make sure you pamper your account from the start. Don't rush it. Okay. Now you'll see I've been here for like 2 to 3 minutes for a reason. Okay. Now the next thing you gotta do is start the survey, and then it's gonna tell you this, right? Now, yes, I am in the United States, right? Great. It's going to tell you this. Now you just make sure you see it's saying that automatically, right? But here you have to take it out and put it back in yourself. Take it out and put it back in yourself. That's it. To show that you're not a robot. Okay? Now, you see, I'm just moving it for a reason. Okay? Now I'm putting it here. I am in the United States, right? Great. Then the next thing is you click here, continue. And if you're creating multiple accounts, I don't know, you can mix up the ages, but I prefer you making use of your real age so you do not forget what you actually saved down. Okay, and make sure you have all your information saved down. All right, so that you don't make mistakes later on. All right, so I'm gonna cover these up right now. All right, for security reasons. So I'm just you put in the information and then you tap on next, and then it's gonna ask you this. You tell them yes, you're male or female. I'm male, so I put a male. So the next thing is it's gonna ask for your zip code. I'm gonna put in mine right now, and then of course cover it up. Uh, okay, it's gonna put in my zip code. You have qualified for the survey. Now, most of you guys would just want to click on, oh, great, you qualified, boom, and you click on participate. No, don't do that. Don't do that, guys. Just calm down, okay? Take a breath. Take a breath and then wait. Okay? You qualify for this survey. Wait. Yes, I know you qualify. Yes, I know. We all know you qualified, right? But wait. Wait. It's a new account. Don't rush it. The first rule, number one, don't rush it. Okay? Can you see what I'm doing? You should do this too. Alright? And then once you're done with that, click on participate. It's going to take you into the place whereby you create your demographics for the survey. Okay, this is most important of this account. All right, very very important, guys. I hope you paid attention how I actually did this from the onset. I hope you're paying attention. What's to continue, guys? Smash the like button, please. Once more, share to your friends. I want this video to get to everybody who wants to get a successful account created and to avoid screen outs, bans from accounts. Do everything I'm showing to you right now. Okay. Now it's asking gender, put in male. It's asking your employment status. Of course, is going to be employed, full-time employed. That's what I always put in. This is what I actually told my members on my Telegram community to always make use of employed full-time. And then here, please choose the option that best describe your household. Okay, so you're going to put in I have one or more children under the age of 18 living in my household. I hope you've seen this. Do this. Okay. So I'm going to click on next. Now it's saying what is the highest level of education you have completed. Please don't rush it. Remember, you see, I'm taking time. I'm doing this right now for a reason. I'm taking time. I'm taking my time. Right? Great. So once you've done that, I use masters most of the times. You can also make use of doctorates, but I use masters, and I recommend this to all my members on my Telegram community. Okay. So here it's into the next question. What is your current household income before taxes? Your current household income before taxes. You're gonna put in this one here. Put in this one here. Here. That's what I make use of most of the times, and that's what I tell my members to also make use of. But you can do it. Choose this one here, 125k to 149.99, right, or 150 to 174. But I always recommend 125k, right, and then continue. Now it's gonna ask me. It's asking me the same question. This is just to be sure that we are on the right track. There's a reason for this, guys. There's a reason. You know what I'm saying? All right. So I hope you're following, guys. I am doing this to help every one of you guys. Okay. If you got questions, drop in the comment section. I will respond to every questions dropped. Okay. I will respond to everybody. All right. Now I'll put a mail again, and now it's asking my origin. Of course, I'm not Hispanic, not Latino. All right. So I'm just gonna put in no. And then it's asking what is your race, right? You can either make use of black or white, okay? But I recommend using white most of the times, okay? Right? Most of the times, that's why I recommend to all my members using, okay? So I'm just going to put in white. And now this is a test question also. Which of the following streaming services have you completed? Which of the following streaming services have you heard of, rather? Okay, so you're going to put in Netflix, Disney Plus, and Apple TV Plus. Just those three. Pay attention. Justice 3. And then I'm gonna click on continue. And now it's asking in which city would you look for Statue of Liberty, right? That is in New York. New York, guys. New York, right? So you find this in New York, right? So you click on next. And now it's asking which of the following best describes you. You can say this. I go to the gym at least 5 times a week. I subscribe to a music streaming service, and I have used the internet in the past 12 months. Right? Look at what I chose, guys. Look at what I've chosen. Do the same, okay? Do this same. Look at what I've chosen. Do the same, okay? Now it's gonna be here. You're gonna click on next. And now this is the part where you need to also pay close attention to it. Okay, now if you could travel to anywhere in the world, where would you go to and what would you do over there? Right? Now this is what you gotta do. You have to put in 3 sentences in one. I mean 3 sentences long. Do you just say I would love to travel around the world like that? No, this is very short. You will terminate your account yourself automatically. Okay? No, don't do that. What you got to do is, what you got to do is, so you don't need to do all that. Okay? Just make sure you're given full information of whatever you are doing. Like you can see right here on my screen, I am putting more information as possible. Don't just put in one letter word or one sentence. It is not the right way to do it. Okay? You need to give them a lot of information, but not too many information, looking like it was created by a chat GPT. No, you need to give them something detailed as they need. Okay, now can you see this here on my screen? I think this is very okay, right? Now the next you gotta do is, once you're done with this, you click on complete. Okay, I believe this helped you guys. I believe this actually showed you everything you need to know. This really helped to get you through